Some more trading recommendations then coming your way. Mandar Jamsandekar with us on the show, as well as Amar Singh. Mandar, top 3 buy calls. What's on the radar?
Yeah, good morning, Avan. The first stock is Britannia. This stock looks good on the long-term as well as short-term charts. On the short-term charts, first, the stock today is giving a breakout above a recent consolidation. The stock had a resistance at around 3,500. So it's broken today in the intraday trade. The intraday trend also looks strong. So if it closes this way, then I think this could be a good positional trade as well as an investment trade, with a stop loss at 3,300 for an investment target of 5,000. So that's the first pick. The second stock is Sun TV. Sun TV showing good momentum on the intraday charts, plus on the end of the day charts, the stock is taking support or has taken support today at that old level of 450 and has bounced. So therefore I had a trading buy in this with a stop loss at 457 for a target of 468. And the third stock is ILNFS Transport. This stock is showing signs of interest after a consolidation of approximately 8 to 10 months, and therefore and in the intraday trade as well, the stock is showing good upside momentum, strong volumes coming in. Therefore a buy in this stock with a stop loss at 87 for a positional target of 125.
Okay, those are some recommendations coming in from Mandar and all buy lists, Britannia, Sun TV as well as ILNFS Transport. Moving on then, Amar Singh of Angel Broking as well joins in. Good morning, Amar. Take us through your topics.
Yeah, very good morning. The first on the list is Cox and Kings. We have seen a significant rally in this stock from almost 180 levels to 215 levels over a 2-week period. And the overall trend for this stock definitely remains firm. So any pullback towards 205 can be a buying opportunity with a stop loss of 198 and a target of 219-220. So that's the first one. The second one is Bombay Dyeing. Bombay Dyeing, we have seen, I would say it's a spectacular rally, more than 20% over the last 2 weeks from 45 levels. It's currently around 55 levels or so. So any pullback towards 52.50 should be used as a buying opportunity. The stop loss could be at 50.50 and the target would be around 56.50. So overall we are seeing this stock is looking for a major rally. Upside resistance is around 60. That would be a major level to watch out for. Taking that out, we'll see fresh highs being made in this stock. The next is FDC. We've seen this stock rally from almost 180 levels to 230-35 levels since August 11th, almost a month back. So this stock is technically strong. It's in a, I would say, uptrend. So any pullback towards 230 can be a buying opportunity. The stop loss is 216 with a target of 265. And the last stock is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, we've seen some profit booking over the last few days since 7th of September. It almost corrected from 284 levels. So the stock still remains bullish. So any pullback towards 268 levels can be a buying opportunity in ICICI Bank with a stop loss of 262 and a target of 279.
Okay, 4 buy calls coming in from Amar. It's Cox and Kings, Bombay Dyeing, FDC and ICICI Bank, all buy calls that are coming in. Thanks a lot, Amar as well as Mandar, for joining in on the show. Now, you're out more fundamental ideas. AK Prabhakar, the head of research at IDBI Capital, now joins in for just that.